When we're younger, we dream of what's possible.
Oh, but I do work through the weekend.
Without ever getting caught up in the how. As we get older, that how becomes inescapable.
Sweet, I'm gonna go.
Okay, get home safe. Come on.
How do we make those dreams a reality?
Lots of opportunity.
How do we achieve the freedom we want?
Oh, you do?
So I know you
The flexibility we need?
what? Those are your favorite, but what do you think of this guy?
Or the vision that inspires us?
Everything looks amazing.
With the right support, it can be simple. Imagine what's possible when there's nothing stopping you.
Hi, Robert. It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Never let the how stop you. Make it simple with SimplePractice.